Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Get Play Soon. Also welcome to the episode 28 of Leetcode SQL 50 challenge. In the previous videos, we have solved a lot of problems under a lot of topics. Now under the topic Advanced Select and Joins, we have completed 4 videos. Now in this episode, getting started with the next problem, that is product price at a given date. In this problem, we have one table, that is products table. It has 3 columns, that is product ID, new price, change date. Basically, whenever a price is changed for a product, then the details are updated into this table. So on which date the price is changed, to what price the price is changed, and what is the product ID. Now we are supposed to write a solution to find the prices of all products on 16th of 8th month. Now in this table, if you did not find this date 16th of 8th month in this table, then what you will do? But still you need to know the price of that, right? So you will consider the price before or on 2019 8/16. So if the price has not changed and you cannot find this date, it means before price only it is been following, right? That's why we are supposed to find the prices of all products on or before 16th of 8th month. Okay. Now what if for any product, if there is no date on or before 16th of 8th, which means, for example, if there is a product which has no records on or before 16th of 8th, but it has after 16th of 8th, then what you will do is, we will assume the price of all products before any change is 10. So in case you don't have this date or before this date value, then you will by default consider the value is 10. Now in this example, you can see we have 3 products, 1, 2 and 3. For product ID 1, you can see there are 3 rows. On 14th, on 15th, on 16th. Because we have 16th, we will consider the value 35. So product ID 1, the value is 35. Now we have product ID 2. We have on 14th, we have on 17th. We are only checking on or before 16th, right? That's why we do not consider this row. We only consider this row of 2. That is, the price will be 50. So product ID 2 is 50. Now for product ID 3, there is only one thing. As you can see here, assume the price of all products before any change is 10. So we don't have for this date and we don't have before date. We only have on 18th of 8th month. That's why we do not consider this value. We will by default put the value as 10. If you still didn't understand it, I wrote here in points for your clear understanding. Based on the condition given here, if there are no price changes for a product before or on this date, the default price we will consider is 10. If there are price changes before or on this date, then the price is the most recent change before or on this date. Okay. So I hope you understood now. Now let's see how to write code for this. Because we have 2 different criteria here. Right? If the date is available, price change is available. If the price change is not available, right? For that, we will do separately. So 2 sets separately we will do. All the results coming from this set and this set, we will combine using the union keyword. So getting started with the first set of query. So the first set of query we are writing is for products with no price change before on this date. So how we are writing is, here you can see in the output the columns are product ID and price. That's why in the select statement you will put product ID column and price column. By default we are supposed to keep it as 10, right? That's why we'll put the value as 10. From the table products, we are grouping by the product ID. Why are we grouping by? Is you can see multiple rows with the same product ID is present, like 1, 1, 1, 2, 2. That's why we will group by product ID. Now what we will do, having minimum change days greater than 2019 8/16. So when are we taking the price as 10 is when there is no price changes for a product before or on 16th of 8th month. To know that, we will make minimum of change date greater than 16th of 8th month. When we do that, what will happen? It filters out the products where the earliest change date is after 16th of 8th. So there are no changes were made on or before 16th of 8th month. So this is the first set. Now speaking about the second set, when you are doing two sets and merging the results of two sets, the select column should be same. So the product ID, price column, price column. Okay. Now in the price column, the values we are putting as new underscore price. To calculate new underscore price, we are supposed to do all this code. Now let's see how we are doing this. Here you can see there is a subquery. Okay. Now let's see how are we doing the subquery, how are we finding the new price. The goal of the subquery is to find the most recent change date for each product ID on or before this date. To find that, what are we doing is, we are selecting product ID and we are doing maximum of change date. So when we do maximum of change date, we are writing a where condition here. So what it does it, in the where condition, we are mentioning the condition that change date is less than or equal to 16th of 8th. So what happens when you give this condition and again apply max function in it is, it identifies the latest date a price change occurred for each product on or before 16th of 8th. So what happens is, this condition will figure out on or before 16th of 8th all the price changes. From the list, this maximum of change date will figure out the latest date. I'm telling you again in short. So when you do change date is less than or equal to 16th of 8th, it will figure out all the price changes date on or before 16th of 8th. From the available list, the most recent change date is figured out by this max of change date. Also, we are supposed to group by the product ID because we have multiple entries with the same value, right? After writing all these things, we will write where product ID, comma change date in. So the where clause here ensures only the rows matching with the specific condition are selected, and then we can get the new price value. So we have two queries. If there is no price change, we keep it as 10. If there is price change, we will consider the most recent change date on or before 16th of 8th month. Now we will combine all the results using union keyword, and that's how we solve this problem. In case if you have any doubts, make sure you comment below. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Get placed soon. We are done with this problem also. We are just left with two problems under the topic advanced select and joins. So thank you so much for watching till the end. Bye bye.